In this lecture, we will discuss a specific example involving the word problems. The example is about the word working hours. My point has work-related problem. So what happens is that they give you a situation where there are multiple workers working together at a project or something. They each have their different rates of working, and then find how many days they will take if they work together. For example, suppose there are three workers. Now, this is the first worker completing the job in 3 days. Why that he is working a lot. So I will use in here salary quality because it's basically a word problem, but you know how to convert it back. Similarly, you have data for other workers. Now the question said how many days they work together. For this, we first have to find the rate for each worker. The rate means amount of work divided by the number of days they took. So we know that the first worker completed the job, but he took 3 days. So the rate for every x over 3, or you may call it 1 over 3, because he completed the job with like 100% job is done in 3 days. So 100% translates to 1, because 100 over 100 is equal to 1. Now you can uh, have an X if you want to find how much work is done for each day. So 1/3 basically means he does, 1/3 of work in one day. So if you have multiple days, you can say 1/3 times days of work done. But we leave it here because for right now we are only uh, needed the rate. So what is the rate for B? Again, the 100% work is done for 5 days. So 100% divided by 5. And that's it. Because now the work together, you just have to add a rates of work and you will have the solution. So yeah, it's very straightforward. Add all of them together. Okay, add the methods. Now all of these are fractions with different denominators, and as you know from your high school, you just have to take the LCM and then add them together. The LCM in this case would be 7 times 5 times 3. So I mean, if you don't know how to take the LCM, you can just Google later. You it's just the basic stuff. That I'm not explaining it at this moment. Unconsciously, you already know how to find LCM. But after you find the LCM, it's 71 over 105. Now, in order to tell how many days it would take, you need a rate, and rate means 100% over something, right? But right now, it's not 100% in the numerator, it's 71. So you somehow have to make it 1. So what you do is you take it into the denominator, like 105 over 71. If you don't understand this conversion, it's like just like you divide the numerator as well as denominator by the same number. So after this simplification, you have the expression. Now the benefit is that whatever is written in the denominator is the number of days, right? Because rate is equals to, as we discussed earlier, 100% work divided by days. So 100% is just 1 over days. Hence, by comparison, we can calculate that the days would be 105 over 71. Now, you don't have to solve it exactly, just have to see that it would be something between 1 and 2, because 71 times 1 is 71 and 71 times 2 would be 142. So it's like around 1.5. So just look at the options. If you have something like, if you have options like 1.1, then 1.46 something, and then 1.9, what is your answer, right? But if you ended up very close, like 1.40, 1.46, 1.48, then you must divide the number to find the exact solution, which in this case would be 71 times 1, 71, 34, and then you have a decimal point, and then you have to multiply 71 times 5 is also, how do you calculate quickly is that if you need to find 71 times 5, you just find 71 times 10 and then divide it by 2. It's because multiplying with 10 is a lot easier than multiplying with 5, because when you multiply it, you just have to add a 0 and nothing else. So it will be 710. Divide by 2. Again, dividing by 2 is also very easy. Just 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 10, and then 2 5 the 10 again. So it's 55. But since we have T40, that means the answer is something around 1.4 something. Since all the options are very close, we also have to solve it from one more decimal point. So you already know the 71 times 5 is 355. If you want to calculate how much is it for 4 times, you can just subtract 71 from 355, and hence it would be 284. After solving, you have 56, which translates to 560. So now it's around 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. So 71 times 7 would be 4970. So 497 maybe in this case. So that's why you can choose 7. You may not choose 8, because 8 would be obviously greater than 560. So that's why. This is how you solve the word problems. Uh, if if they give you a question which which involves word problems, this is the easiest way to solve it. Just, first find the labs and then find whatever they ask you to find.